Hello friends, I am Shushant Raghavan. Welcome to Technical and Quality Session. For understanding the technical requirements and quality standards in clothing industry, making a sustainable garment, I have good practical experience in the apparel manufacturing sector. My skills are CAD pattern making, sample development, technical requirements, and measuring quality performance. Today's session is about elements of garment design in clothing industry. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin the presentation. Elements of garment design. In creating a design, one of the components that interact is the element of design. The element and principles of design are flexible and should be interpreted within the context of current fashion. A design can be defined as an arrangement of lines, shape, colors and texture that create a visual image. The principles of design are the rates that govern how elements are combined. The elements are therefore the raw materials that must be combined successfully. Color. Color is the first element to which consumers respond, often selecting or rejecting a garment because of its color appeal. Therefore, designers must consider their customers and provide colors that are both appealing and flattering. People connect certain colors with holidays and seasons. They expect to see earth tones in fall clothing, jewel colors for the holidays, the pastels of flowers in the early spring, and refreshing white for the summer. All manufacturers include some of these colors in their lines. Fabric. Color is interpreted in the medium of the fabric. Fabrics are the designer's artistic medium in that fashion design is essential sculpture in fabric in relation to the body. Fabric selection is the selection or creation of an appropriate style for a fabric, or the reverse, the selection of the right fabric for the design. Next to understanding the needs of the customer and interpreting trends for them, choosing the fabric suitable for a particular style is one of the most important aspects of designing. The designer chooses fabric on the basis of fashion trends, quality, performance, price and suitability. Fabric. Fabrics themselves inspire garment design. For example, the softness and dryability of jersey might inspire gather in a dress. Other designers work the other way around. First getting an idea, perhaps developing it in a sketch, and then finding the appropriate fabric for it. However the designer works, he or she must ultimately decide which fabric will work best with the design, or vice versa. Designers must develop the ability to picture a design already made up in the fabric. This ability comes through observation and experience. Many firms build a line or even an entire reputation on one fabric such as denim or stone-washed silk. In sportswear, a base fabric is selected for jacket and loafers. In jeanswear, for example, the base fabric is always denim. An assortment of fabrics, solid and patterns is chosen to go with the base fabric. Line. After selecting the fabric, the designer must consider the other elements of good design. In this section, the term line refers to the direction of visual interest in a garment, created by construction details such as seams, openings, pleats, gathers, tucks, top stitching, and trims. When lines combine, space is enclosed and forms and shapes are defined. Lines offer a path of vision for the eyes when wearing an outfit. The arrangement of lines in clothing design can cause to appear heavier or thinner than what actually is. Lines within a garment are created by darts, seams and decorative details. Each kind of line produces its own special effect. Straight lines and shapes donate force and strength and have a masculine quality. Curved lines are the line of nature. They are graceful, give a feminine effect. Lines are the greatest device of fashion designers. Since line creates the illusion of height and width, they can be used to one's requirement to tone down or exaggerate a particular figure type. Shapes. It describes the outer dimension or counter of an object. The shape also encloses space and imparts a certain character to the object viewed. Through clothing design, the shape of the human body is often revealed in a natural way, but sometimes even distorted. The shape of clothing on a human body communicates silently the message about the wearer. Every fashion period, a shape emerges slowly or evolves suddenly. Whether it is every period has a specific shape of garment which once determined can be modified and restyled for variation in design without changing the basic shape of the garment. It is either flare or tight, circular or straight, A-line or raglan. It has been observed that an easy-fitting shape of the garment is easily accepted and largely produced as well as has a longevity of style, whereas a tight-fitted garment is generally short-lived since it is suitable for only perfected figure types. It is therefore advisable that the designer chooses an easy silhouette to keep on creating for a longer duration. Thank you for watching. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Please comment your valuable thoughts and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when I post a new presentation. Bye, have a good day.